we're about 85% complete on the outside cosmetic side of the job. We have the concrete laid, the lighting put in, the windows and outside staircase are installed. We'll be going around to the other side of the building to show you all the outside equipment that's been installed underneath the awning. So underneath the awning here, the lights are hung, the doghouse is being built for the MSB. All the electrical panels, transformers have been installed. AC units, the climate inside the building has all been installed. So here we are inside the Larson's facility. The air and water have all been run. Lights have been hung. AC ducting is at 85–90% complete right now. Both cranes, the 3-ton and the 15-ton, are both hung. As we walk down through here further, I'll show you that the indoor facilities, offices, restrooms, break rooms, stuff like that. So as we go upstairs, I'm gonna take you into the office spaces and show you the progress of the construction at this time. So each one of these rooms will be managerial workspace offices. So in this area, you'll have a large space for a conference room area right here in the open. There will be cubicle spaces for employees. All these wires hanging is in preparation for the drop grid seating that will be in place within the next week.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out our complete selection at Larson Electronics, American made and manufactured. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.